So here's the creek. My kids normally play in this. Normally the horses and everything can actually walk down right here where this spot is. And they'll actually walk down into the creek. You see right here, the creek is overflowing past its bank. Flowing right through our pasture. It's brought a whole bunch of big debris of logs and stuff with it. Right through my neighbor's property. It goes right out into his fields where all his cattle are at. All the way down the valley. You can see right here how close it is to coming over the bank right into our property. I mean, it's less than a foot.